Hello guys, welcome to Share Tech. This is Himansu and in today's video we will learn how to install the latest version of Python, which is 3.11.0 on the Windows operating system. Additionally, we will also install pip, which will be used to install and manage Python packages or libraries. Also, Python ideally will be included in the Python installation, which is nothing but a simple lightweight IDE to run Python programs. At the end, we will run a sample Python program after successful installation. So let's get started. So as the first step, we need to open any of the web browsers, and in the Google search bar, we need to simply type Python. So from the search results, the first one you can see, this is the official website of Python, which is python.org. Simply click on it. So we have reached to the official website of Python, and here go to downloads. And we can see that it shows the latest version of Python, which is 3.11.0, and we can download it for the Windows operating system. Although we have an option to download it for other different OS, for example Linux or Mac OS. If we scroll down, we can see different versions or different releases of Python, which are like slightly older releases, and we can also see the release dates. So we can download that also, but here we will be going with the latest version of Python. So we will simply click on it to download. You can see that the download has already started and it's very small in size and will be downloaded within few seconds. Once the download is completed, simply click on the downloaded exe file, minimize it. Here leave the first option as default. Now we can select the second option, which is to add python.exe to the path of environment variables. Click on customize installation. Here leave all the options as default. Pip, as already discussed, will be used to install Python packages or libraries. Ideally will be a default IDE that will be used to develop and execute Python codes. Simply click on next. Here we find a list of advanced options. Here if we want, we can select the first option. If we want to install Python for all the users, leave all the remaining options as default. Here we can change the location of the folder to which Python is installed. Simply click on browse to change it. We'll be leaving it as default and simply click on install. It will be asking for the required permissions. Simply click on yes and the installation will just start. Just wait for some time for the installation to complete. So here we can see that the setup is successfully completed. Simply click on close. All done. Time to verify your installation. Open command prompt. Simply type Python -- version. As you can see, it shows the current version of Python, which is Python 3.11.0. This is the one which we installed. Now time to run a sample Python program. Type py, enter to open Python shell. We'll be trying a print statement, so just type print hello. As you can see, the print command works fine here. Now time to test our IDLE as well. Go to search and type IDLE. Open it. Here as you can see, it opens IDLE shell. Simply try with the print statement. Print Himansu. And as you can see, we are able to print it successfully here. Our IDLE shell can also open an existing py file and execute it. So let's see. I've already saved a Python test.py file on the desktop. Just open it and here go to run module. So as you can see, in the IDLE shell, I'm able to print both the statements. First one was a print statement, hello world, which is printed here. And second statement was to add 8 and 32. So the output here is 40. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching.